happy?
Yes.
MashaAllah, excellent, beautiful. Okay, Abdurrahman.
Yeah.
So today we are going to learn about the ablution wuzu. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sit properly. Okay?
Okay.
Be seated on chair, Shabash. You have done ablution wuzu?
Yes.
MashaAllah, excellent. So do you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so how to make wudu? How to make? Abdurrahman,
Yes.
do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, are you looking?
Yes.
Okay, read this. How to make wudu ablution?
How to make water ablution.
Yes. Okay. Method of wudu. Method of
What?
wudu. Okay, read this first.
First, make the three times, making sure that the water is reached between the fingers. Put a handful of water into your mouth and rinse it thoroughly 3 times. Three.
You see this picture? Okay. Next, 5 to 6.
Five is
Look at
equal.
5 and 6.
Okay. Wash your face 3 times from the lobe of your ear to your left ear and from your hairline forehead to your chin. Se- A and B. Wash your right arm and then your left arm throughout the wrist up to your including up to up to up to and including your elbow 3 times.
Yes. HAB. Read this.
Move the wet palms over the head from the back of our head to the back of head to the back of the head. Dad,
Okay, next one.
press the wet fingers of the index fingers onto the grooves on the whole. Both the ears repeat also pass the wet tongue behind the ears.
Okay.
And
Then this.
I push feet and including the ankles from the right, making sure the water is between the toes and all of the parts of the feet. At the, at, the, above
At the
the
end, after, above.
above above step side, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
Okay, meaning.
Meaning I testify there is no God but Allah, hands. He is one and has no partner. And I also testify that Muhammad is his servant and messenger.
Okay, next one. Next, Abdurrahman.
Okay. Please repeat after your wudu. After that, you what did you mean? Should
Read
we
this.
that you destroy the do it that the light flow body of the body for about vomiting falling asleep.
Okay, next. Al-ghusl, the washing or bath. Okay, read read loudly.
Purification, purification, al-ghusl is obligatory when one is fulfilled as a result of one of nocturnal emission or a wet dream, marital, marital intercourse, childbirth, or when entering into the fold of Islam. The procedure is as follows. We begin with the name of Allah as for wudu. Wash the hands and the affected part of the body with water to remove any impurity. Perform wudu as above. The washing the whole body 3 times using clean water for each wash.
Well done, mashallah. Do you understand today's lesson?
Yeah.
Excellent. Great man, mashallah.